Can I squeeze in? Thanks, bro. Do 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 do. What the f is that? What is happening here? That's new. Weird. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog. We are here in Dumbo. We're chilling, and on the latest video, my stupid Invoxia GPS now is not charging via my smart, whatever you call it, charger, quad lock. But whatever. Make sure we're recording. Beautiful. Not exactly sure what or why. Ooh, there's a new stop sign. That's new. I shall stop here. Go ahead. You got this, ma'am. Take your photos. Ah, the sweet, delicate tourism. Oh, this lady actually came out of the office together with me. Taking a while with her walk. Is there a moral to this story? Nope, no moral. Just, you know, just a ride. What the fuck is that? What is happening here? That's new. Weird. That's something new. And there we is. Bam bam. Baby bro. We're gonna be all right. No need to compete with me. That poke place, I keep meaning to try it, but it's like $16 poke bowl. You know what? I'll be honest with you. I had this banh bowl today. Basically, the trick is to put shit that you would put it inside a banh or burrito, whatever, in a bowl with rice. And banh bowl was trash because yeah, it was just not it. It was literally not it. It was not as good as it gets. You know what I mean? And this person is going straight, so I'll take a right. It's not a problem. Oh man, look at the traffic on the B, the Q, the E. We're gonna have to split for you and me. It's okay. It's all right. We're gonna have a good night. Come on, green. Green sugar. Nice turn signal there. No, we're going straight. It's a lyrical miracle. Oh boy. These folks here. Come on. Here we go. I'm gonna have to lane split. Pardon. Please, please, please. Oh my goodness, tight squeeze. Pumpkin, please. Yeah, we lost the splitter behind me. Couldn't hang. He might pop up. He might like get mad and get on the shoulder. I don't know. He or she. Oh, bro, what are you doing? What is the meaning of this? Jerk off. Folks are driving like it's dead traffic and folks are keeping distances. I don't get it. Anyway, the banh mi ball was trash. And it's from Bread and Spread, which is one of the best fucking sandwich spots in silly little Dumbo. It's a real shame. It's a real fucking shame. I literally was like, what the fuck? I'm about to fucking leave him a review. There was no sauce. There was nothing. The thing was dry. What is even the point? Arga. Beautiful thing. Look how nice the weather is. What the actual fuck? How is it actually like 70 plus degrees on November 1st? Sweet baguettes. Sweet French baguettes. Sweet French baguettes. Excuse me, copper. My bad. Had to be done. That was undercover cop in that silver vehicle. Not much you can do. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. There we go. See, even when I scratch my nose, one of my fingers is on the brakes, because you never know. You never know when it's time to brake. Splitting the whole fucking time. Split all the way up and all the way down. Fucking hell. That's how it is here. And look at this fucking sack of shit. Like, look at this sack of shit. That person right there. Like, they're the person who is fucking everybody. Ooh, that's a nice Baja though. Ooh, man, it's so nice out. There's Tool Tuesday event today, but I don't think I'm gonna go. I don't want to talk to anybody. Don't really want to socialize. You know? Really don't. So I might just chill. It's all good. No worries. Look at this silliness. Cute little Kia there, champ. Why is my nose so itchy? What the sweet dick. Sweet succulent Christ. Fucking nose, man. I'm just chilling here and my nose is like, oh, let me be itchy. Yo, bro, how's your nose? Psych, I'm your nose, I'm itchy. Fucking dick. Like, get the fuck over yourself, bro. You're just a part of my face. You're not even the main part. I mean, it's very important. Alright. I don't know why this is happening, but I don't even want to find out. This is literally beyond my pay scale and expertise. We're about to split. To the raw. To the raw. Whoa, that's a serious wing on that fucking Camry. Got a speed camera, and even now I have a little special thingy on my plate. Still not gonna play with it, you know. Not gonna speed on purpose and whatnot. I mean, you got it. Can I squeeze in? Thanks, bro. Do 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 do. That was cute. Wild cute, bro. Mad adorbs. Anywho, I shall talk to you all soon enough. You know what I mean? Soon enough. Because for now, it's time for me to stop talking and just park this hoe up. Park this hoe up. All right. Oh. Okay, bye.